nearly 20 years of public service, ni minsan hindi nadapuan ng kahit anong mantsa, kahit anong anomalya ang kanyang pangalan. So may integrity, may competence, no? And of course, my experience. Parang into your hands. I commend or I pass on. I pass on the DILG family. And indeed, we are a family. This has been a week of lasts. Last time I introduced the president was in Davao. Last time that I presided over a Philippine Councilors League was also a few days ago, and so on and so forth. And so this is the last time that I'll be standing here as your SILG. It has been my distinct honor and pleasure to have worked with you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.
Papasalamat po tayo sa ating Pangulo sa kanyang pagtitiwala sa pagtalaga po sa akin bilang Secretary ng DILG. Salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
We just